The next item down is security. Fairly simple. You have the ability to either enable whitelisting to manage just those who you want to attend your presentation. So, for example, if you're doing a single only partner event and you only want to have, for example, at presidio.com email addresses only can attend, you can do that. If it's at wwt.com email addresses, you have the ability to do that, right? And so you would actually have to just check enable whitelisting and then go ahead and actually add in the actual accounts. Now, from a blacklisting perspective, we've already worked with corporate Marcom and took all these suppressed email addresses at domains that we want to block. So, for example, you'll see down here at Dell EMC. And you'll see, I mean, the list is fairly significant. We actually have 61 domains that we block. If you have a particular event and you want to add another domain that you don't see on this list, go ahead and just add either the specific email and or the domain here, and you can add this to the list. Fairly simple. Thanks.